This video will explain to you how to make your one-pager project. A one-pager is a combination of quotes from the book, important ideas and words, as well as pictures and images that you make to help you think about the story a little bit more deeply. We'll look at some examples and talk about what you need to do. Materials. White paper can be recycled paper so long as one side is white. The first few days just going to be drafting, so doesn't need to be anything special. Whatever you like to write and draw with, pencils, colored pencils, pens, markers, doesn't matter. You do want some color, we want these to look good. Final draft. So this is what you're going to do on Thursday. After working all week, you're going to pick 2 of the most important quotes, 2 important words, do 1 character drawing with written traits, 1 drawing of one of the settings. So on Monday, you're just going to draft. You're going to listen to the read aloud, listen to chapter 1 on Monday, and anything that stands out to you, you're going to jot down. An important quote, an important scene, something important that happens, character does, words, anything at all, jot it down, and then just add little designs and sketches in between the jottings. Tuesday, same thing. Maybe you get a fresh sheet of paper. Maybe you filled up the paper pretty well on Monday, and so you grab a new sheet on Tuesday. Maybe you continue to fill the one from Monday. It's up to you. But basically, just keep collecting. Wednesday, same. Listen to chapter 3. Keep collecting quotes, words, images. On Thursday we're not going to listen to the read aloud. You're going to take that time to do your final draft. So you're going to pick the 2 best quotes, the 2 most important words, pick the character that you want to draw, write some traits around them, pick 1 setting that you want to sketch real well. So you're going to grab, now here's where you can grab a good fresh sheet of paper, maybe a larger sheet of paper if you got like construction paper if you want to really get into it, and then make it look as good as you can. You're going to do a self-assessment when you're done, just kind of takes you through, make sure you got everything you need. And then you're going to take a picture of this thing. Have your parents help you if you need, but basically take a photograph of your finished work, and then you're going to upload it to a Google Photos album. We're going to depend on you guys to figure out how to get the picture you take onto your computer, but this video will help you figure out how to upload it to the Google Photos album, and you're just going to pick which group you're in. These are lumped together, so if you're in Cornell or you're in Ramsey, all of you are going in this one album. Sutherland, Gonzalez, all of you in this one album. So that's your timeline. So this is an example of a one-pager that I did just for chapter 1. So I was listening to the story, and you can see I've got at the top kind of a sketch. I was listening to the description of the setting, started to try to draw that, started to label some things that I thought were important. You'll see that I've got quotes in there. I numbered them, which came first, second, third. I underlined things that I thought that might be important later on. Maybe this is connected to a theme or a big idea in the story. Bottom right hand corner, you'll notice I'm starting to keep track of characters and just jot little notes about them and connecting ideas. The narrator talks about being free one day, and then also talking about debt and the money that they owed. So anything that I kind of thought, this seems important, I'm just jotting down. Now this is just for chapter 1, this page. So tomorrow when I listen to chapter 2, be sitting listening to the story, and I'm going to do another one of these. I probably wouldn't add to this because I filled up the paper pretty well. I'll probably do a second piece of paper. And then again on Wednesday. And then come Thursday, you're going to pick just the best quotes, best setting that you want to draw, pick 1 character, and that's what you're going to do for your final draft.